Okay, good morning. So here you are observing the first material of our today's practical. So it is the Callistemon citrinus. It comes under the family Myrtaceae, right? So just as already you have gone through the PDF sent to you for the practical. So please read it properly. Then what are the characters? So we are starting from the habit of the plant. So generally Callistemon, it is a tree species and it shows generally woody in the nature stem, but somehow there are some woody shrubs are there. So here the young stem, it is generally greenish to brownish in the nature, and here you are observing this is a twig of the flowering twig of this one. So the at the upper side it shows the having the position of the cymose type of the inflorescence, racemose type of inflorescence. It shows the flowers are sessile. You observe the entire LS of the flower here. So they are without stalk. So these are the sessile flowers, and they shows there is having the spike type of the condition. So it is the character. Then many flowers on the main this flowering twig are there. Then after fertilization they develop the fruits are there, right? So they are present at the base. Secondly, in the leaves, as you are observing, the leaves are the opposite decussate type of the leaves. They are the simple petiolate, small petiole is there, and they are the somehow lanceolate, that is the biconvex in the nature. Acute apex, entire margin is there. In the reproductive character, about the these inflorescence, it shows the this inflorescence shows the spike type of inflorescence, that is the racemose condition is there. Secondly, the flower, it is showing the ebracteate. Then as it having the, you are observing yellows of flower. So the all floral parts they develop above the ovary. So therefore it is a epigynous type of the flower, right? And when they develop below the ovary, it is the hypogynous. Then secondly, as their number of calyx are 5, these are polysepalous. Petals are they are the polypetalous. Sepals are the gamosepalous condition is there. Here you are observing this with gynoecium diagram. Calyx tube formation is there, and they develop generally after the some covering the some part of the ovary, right? Then simply as the flower, it is to be supposed as the complete flower. Then secondly, as there is having the actinomorphic type of the condition, regular symmetry. So it could at any plane. Then calyx number sepals are 5, Yamusepalus condition, valvate type of the estivation. Same thing for the petals, 5 petals, polypetalous, and they shows the valvate type of the estivation, right? Then about the androecium, stamens are many stamens. So here you see single stamen magnified, anther lobe, and the connective at the lower end. So it is the connected at dorsiventral side. Filament is the long, and these stamens, they are commonly called as a versatile stamen. That is, they are the extros, that is the condition outside to the petals are there, and generally they shows the colored condition, red colored stamens. Gynoecium style is also red color. So this is the one part is there. Then in relation to this, the TS of ovary, you are observing, so it is trilocular. So therefore gynoecium becomes a tricarpellary syncarpus, and each locule, it is with 2 ovules are there, right? So we have to draw the floral diagram. So here you are observing the floral diagram, as it is very interesting. It shows the condition, the twisted type of the calyx condition. Actinomorphic sign is there above the head. Then petals are the, they are also showing the it shows there is the imbricate, one outer side, one inside, and three are alternating, and petals are showing the twisted type. One end is outside, one end is the inside, right? So this is the part, and stamens are many attached to the ovary. So you see, this is the part is there. Ovary is the trilocular. So it is all about the bottle brush. Commonly it is called as the bottle brush. Botanical name is the Callistemon citrinus family Myrtaceae. Then our second example, here you are observing family Apocynaceae. So this Apocynaceae, it shows it shows the there is the family Apocynaceae. It shows the example Catharanthus roseus. Old name of this plant is the Vinca rosea. In Marathi we are calling as the Sadafuli. त्याला आपण सदाफुली म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये. So you see, whole plant is there. The taproot system, stem is there. Leaves generally they are showing the opposite. Then simple leaves are there. Petiolate. Plant body is the herbaceous. So flower buds and the flowers are there. These flowers are developing in at the top. So this is the cymose type of the condition we are knowing. There is having the some auxiliary buds are there. Here entire flower you are observing, the pedicel is there. So this pedicel, so flowers are the pedicellate, and secondly they are showing the bracteate condition. Then sepals number, it is generally it is having the, here you are observing sepals are the 5, polycephalous condition, and the petals are 5, gamopetalous condition. So it is the member of family Gamopetalae, right? Petals united Gamopetalae. Then secondly, inflorescence we have seen, it is the cymose type. It is solitary axillary cyme, right? So you observe here the LS of the flower. So flower is actinomorphic, bisexual, then bracteate, and the complete flower is there. Then it shows the nectary at the base. This is interesting character. So along the side of this ovary, 2 nectaries are there. Disc is present, right? And in this one, ovary is situated. Here the position is shown in the TS of the ovary. Nectar is on the both side. Then you see TS of ovary. It is showing the 2 ovaries are separate. Here this is an interesting diagram. You see fruits. So fruit is nothing but it is mature. It is fertilized mature ovary. So they free at the top but fused at the base. So therefore this fruit generally is nothing but the ovary position based on. So these fruits are ovary is the bicarpellary syncarpus. We are showing the bicarpellary. It is not the single. So here written as the due to angiosperm we are doing the bracket to the number 2. So then one interesting part is there. Here you are observing the gynoecium and the position of nectary, right? So you see stigma is dumbbell shaped stigma, gynoecium. Then style is short. Then ovary, nectary position, receptacle, and the pedicel is there. Then about the androecium. So stamens are generally they are showing the anthers are bithecous. Then filament is short, attached to the petals at the mouth of the petals are there, corolla tube. So they are there. So this is the one character. Now you see the floral formula. So actinomorphic, bisexual, bracteate, bisexual. Firstly we are writing generally bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, K5 gamocephalous, C5 gamopetalous, androecium 5 attached to petals. So there is a line attaching to the C and the A. So it is called as the epipetalous condition. And G2 two carpels, syncarpus at the base. So this is the character, and based on this floral diagram. So in SYBSC you have to draw the floral diagram. So see, green colored, these are the sepals. Flower is actinomorphic. Green circle dot is there. Bract is at the in front of this. Then all sepals are 5. They are the twisted type, but they are showing the one inside, one outer side. 3 are alternating, right? Then petals are pink colored petals. They are showing the twisted type of the condition. The stamens are attached at the one corner, so 5 stamens, and ovary part is there. So this is all about the family Apocynaceae. You remember the example Catharanthus roseus. In Marathi it is called as the Sadafuli. Okay, so this is our today's practical. In the next week we will see the next practical. Okay, so thanks to all.